So let me show you how to convert all coin to USDT on Binance. After you open the Binance app, go to trade. After you come to this trade, now tap on this convert at the top. After you tap on this convert button, so here you can tap on this option now. So tap on this option. So from this option now, go and select your whole coin. So I'll tap on this search and search for WLD. That's whole coin. So after I type in WLD, here is whole coin. Select it. After that, now scroll to down and tap on this option now, the second one, the second arrow. So on this option now, go and select USDT. If you can't find the USDT in this option, go and search the USDT. After select USDT in this option, now you specify the amount of whole coin you want to convert in this option. And here you'll be able to see the amount of USDT you will be receiving after converting your whole coin to USDT. So tap on this preview button. From there, it will give you another button which says convert. After you tap on the convert button, now you convert your whole coin to USDT. If you want to see the amount of USDT that you converted, just tap on this asset button. After you come to this asset button, so you'll be able to see this. As you can see now, you'll be able to see USDT. Here you'll be able to see the amount of USDT that you get after you converted your whole coin to USDT. And that's it, guys.